Good morning, student. Continue with our topic. Second example, CH3, CH3. Here, first, second, third, fourth. See the group. Here, CH3, two groups, but the groups are same. Now, how to name it? First, see the parent chain, 4 carbon, so butane, single bond, so butane. And two groups, but groups are same, but different at different carbon. Here this is at second and this is at third. Now what should be the name? 2,3 dimethyl butane. Word root but. Suffix ane, single bond. Prefix 2,3. Here 2,3 dimethyl. Two methyls are there, so dimethyl butane. Next example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are there, single bond. 5 carbon, single bond, so it is pentane. And one CH3 group is there at the third position or at third carbon atom. Here we can see CH3. This is the group, that is the methyl group. So the name is 3-methyl pentane. Next example number 4. We can see the chain here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon. So parent name is hexane. And group at third position of carbon CH3. So 3-methyl hexane. Example number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon. But the thing is that here it is a double bond. So the parent name should be butene, ene. 4 means but and double bond ene. And this double bond is at position 2 and 3. We have to select the smallest number. We have to give this ene smallest number. So smallest number is 2. So but 2 ene. Example 8. Here CH3 CH double bond C CH2 CH3. How many total number of carbon in a long chain? 5. So name is pentene. Why ene? Pentene, because double bond is there. Now we have think where is the double bond? Between 2 and 3. Which is the smallest number? 2. Right. So pent 2 ene. Pent 2 ene. Now here is a 1 methyl group. This methyl group at the carbon number 3. So 3-methyl pent 2 ene. Next example. See here. Carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon. And 1 triple bond between this carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means here but. But and here triple bond to butane. Because YNE we are using for the triple bond. So butane. And here the name is given word root but. Suffix is given YNE. Prefix is 2. Same thing. We have to give the number to this but YNE 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3 this triple bond is there. So which is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. That's why but 2 YNE. Next CH3 C triple bond C CH2 CH3. Total carbons are 5. So parent name is pent. And here triple bond is there. So YNE. And at which place? Now we have to decide the place. So it is between 2 and 3. So here pent 2 YNE. Next example. See here. C carbon. 3 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons. Here 3 carbons. So parent name is prop. Here parent name is prop. And here carbon with the double bond oxygen. So carbon being double bond with the oxygen, that is we know. Now see here example. Word root prop. So parent name is prop. Suffix is ane. Here the parent is not containing any double bond or triple bond. They are containing only single bond. So ane. Prefix is 2-ONE, that is propanol. 1, 2, 3, 3 for prop, and here is ONE, and IUPAC name is propane 2-ONE. It is called as propane 2-1, and simply if you are saying that it is a propanol, place 2 is given to the ONE, that is the group of ketone. Here you can see that double bond O is attached at second place, so the name is given prop 2-ONE. Next example, and a common name is acetone. Next example, here see the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are there. 5 carbons are there, then the parent is pent. Now see here, single bond and double bond O, so it is also from the family of the ketone. Now we have to name it. Where is this group? This group is at second position, so pent 2-ONE, it is called as pentanol. So pent 2-ONE. Here see, chlorine is there. Now we have to give the name to the chlorine also. So now see the name, and it is at the 5th position. So 5-chloro pent 2-ONE. Example 13, CH3 CH CH2OH. Here we have to number the chain from here 1, 2 and 3. The reason is that functional group should get the first and the first number. So first number here, and this OH is the alcoholic group. Now we have to name it. So here 1, 2 and 3 carbons, so parent name should be prop, and this alcoholic group is at the position number 1, so 1-OL. Now another group is there, that is CH3 methyl. So we have to name it like this, that 2-methyl propane 1-OL. That is OL is for the alcoholic group. We can also write like this, 2-methyl propanol. Here next example, CH2OH alcoholic group is attached to the first carbon. As we know that the first number should give to the group, functional group. CH2 CH CH3. First decide this long chain 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there, so but is a parent name. Then alcoholic group, so butanol, and at which place is OH? Was first place, so but 1-OL. Now here another group is methyl, and it is at third position, so we have to give 3-methyl butane 1-OL. 15th example, here CH2OH CH CH2 CH CH3. Here we have to see that one is the alcoholic group is given here, and the other is the ethyl and methyl group is given. Now we have to name like this chain, and very interesting it is. First recite the carbon, parent carbon chain, which is the long 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parent. So 5 is called pentane. Now pentane and the alcoholic group, so pentane 1-OL, pentanol, and this 2 groups are there, that is ethyl methyl. Here ethyl is the second position and methyl is at the 4th position, so we have to name it as 2-ethyl 4-methyl. Now here if you will think that methyl is a higher, ethyl is a higher and methyl is a smaller, so one thing I want to tell you, that it should be named according to the ABC A to Z. So E come first and then N come after E. So that is the reason why ethyl is first, 2-ethyl. If you will write 4-methyl 2-ethyl, then it will be wrong. Then you have to follow the pattern, that is A to Z. First E will come, then M will come. So 2-ethyl 4-methyl pentane 1-OL. Next example, 16th one. Here COH, that is the acidic group, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now this group will get the first position in the carbon chain. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, and the name is butane 1-oic acid, as it is acid and the parent is butane, so butane 1-oic acid. Next, 2 carbons and 4 chlorine atom. How we have to name it? 4 chlorine means tetra. We can write tetra, and the address also we have to write of each. So word root is, parent is eth, that is ethane. Suffix is ane, single bond. Prefix. Now prefix we have to write the address also. So here 1 1 1 1 1 is for this, 1 is for this, 1 1 2 2 2 2 1 1 2 2. Tetrachloro. Tetra means how many chlorine? 4 chlorine. So tetrachloro. Now the IUPAC name. We have to write all this thing in the IUPAC name, and the name will be 1122 tetrachloroethane. Writing structural formula from the IUPAC name. There are the few steps to write the structural formula. Let's see the first step. Write the carbon atom of the parent chain. So we know that 1 2 3 4 5 pent. Then number them. Number 1 2 3 4 5. Locate the suffix. We have to locate the suffix, whether single bond, double bond, or the triple bond. So here the double bond at second place. So 2 ene. Attach substituents. What are the substituents here? Chlorine, bromine, and methyl. Here we can use chlorine also, we can use bromine also. Here bromine is given. Now here see the name 2-bromo-4-methyl. 2-bromo-4-methyl. Now see the name how it is given. Bromine is at the second position, so the name is given 2-bromo. Suppose if at the place of bromine, if chlorine is there, then we can give the name 2-chloro. And here 4-methyl. 4-methyl. Methyl is at the position number 4, so we can write like this 2-bromo-4-methyl. Then fifth point, satisfy the valency by adding hydrogen atom. Now we have to see the valency. Valency, we have to satisfy every carbon atom. As we are forming a compound, it should be balanced, it should be stable. So just we have to satisfy the valency. Now here we have to put the hydrogen. Hydrogen, see the carbon is bounded with the 4 sides, and now here only 1 side. So it means here required 3. 1 2 3. So CH3, and here carbon is bonded with this and double bond is here. So 1 2 3 4, satisfied. Now carbon is attached with single hydrogen, because from here it can bonded with the hydrogen. So 1 bonding between carbon and hydrogen, and 2 bonding here, and 1 bonding is here. So it's satisfied like this. CH3, here CH3. So like this we have to provide the hydrogen to the carbon according to C the valency, to make them satisfied, to make them stable. Now the name of this, that is 2-bromo, we have to give the name to this like the same 2-bromo-4-methyl. See the parent name 1 2 3 4 5 carbons are there and 1 double bond. So pentane 2 ene.